Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life. And can I just tell you, I am in love with this stamp set for our club and Die Hard, for our Stamp and Die Hard club. Let me just tell you, I am madly, deeply in love. And why? Because they are lovable. Now, here we go. Are you ready? Get set. They are called Loveable Ladybugs. And you guys, I cannot. Look at how cute they are. First of all, you're getting 3 different ones. The one that's holding the flower, seriously, I wish it was a stuffed animal so I could hug it. That's a good idea. We should do that, right? Okay, anyway, here we go. Here's our cute little guy. Here's one that's flying. Here's one holding a big flower. And we have lots of fun words on here. So we have sending you blooms and bug hugs. Happy birthday to a special lady. Ladybugs and love to brighten your day. You can bug me anytime. Fly away with me. You've got a spot in my heart. Get it? Spot, ladybug. Love and bugs on your special day. Hey, lady. Get it? Because ladybugs. Bug off, which is funny. And then there's these weird little whoosh whooshes. Those, my friends, are to put under his wings when he's flying, because I wanted those little extra pieces on there. Now, Stamp Club members, boom. Your made in the USA, high quality photopolymer stamp sets are being sent to you today. Well, on the 1st, ASAP. Happy New Year! Oh my goodness, I didn't even say that. Now, Ken gets up extra early. We do not hang out until midnight, trust me, because let me tell you, he is up and early, ready to get these out in the mail to you. If you are not in the Stamp Club, you are missing out. $13.99, that includes the brand new stamp set mailed to you automatically. No extra shipping. If we have to pay tax in your area, you do pay tax. But other than that, boom, you're locked in at that price. You're locked in at that price. You don't have to worry about it ever going up as long as you're a club member. Now, a lot of you that are not in the club and you're looking at this going, hey, that's cool, but you know what? There's no way in the world I'm going to get my scissors out and try to cut those out. Of course not. That's why we have the Die Hard Club. The same stamps as the Stamp Club, but the dies that match. Now, when I do the dies, my friends, I do something a little unique. Not only do I give you the shadow dies, I also give you the inside dies, because some people like to stamp and cut it out and not have the white border around it. Some people want that shadow border around it. The choice is yours. You are getting 6 large dies in this set. Now, this is what my Die Hard gets. This is what my Stamp Club gets. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Now, you also get a handy dandy little postcard. Shows you a couple ideas. Shows you to go to our website to go look at even more ideas, including the ones I'm going to show you right now. And it also shows you the add-on options that you can go to our website, check them out. They're add-ons, meaning you don't have to purchase them, but they go together with this set. Because come on, 3 ladybugs, I needed more than 3 ladybugs, let me just tell you. So go check that out also. Let's jump in and look at our samples, because let me tell you, I am madly, deeply in love. So here we go. Here's a cute one, just stamped, my friends, just stamped. Then, because we give you those shadow dies, you're able to create a mask and then color around it. Whoa! I know, you guys, seriously, it's all about those inside dies. Here's another one. Look at that. Totally the same, totally different. Am I right? This one is not die cut. This one is die cut and popped up just a little tiny bit. Different colors, but look at the difference. Isn't that awesome? There's so much versatility in this set. Now, here's another one of just the little guy flying, which is so adorable. Now, if you are one of those people that say, Stephanie, I love these, but I don't want to color, oh, just you wait. Hold your horses, keep your socks on, because guess what? I'm going to knock them off in just a second with the next video, with the other add-on items. So here we go, cute little guy, red and black. How cute. Oh, look at this one. Make your own background paper. And you're saying, I don't want to color all that. Stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned. I am telling you guys, I seriously, this is driving me crazy. I'm so excited. Use our gatefold card, but only half of it. Ready? Get set. Ta-da! Look how cute that is. Oh my goodness. Look how cute they are flying. And make them different colors, you guys. Nobody said ladybugs had to be red and black. Make them unique. Make them green. Make them gray. Make them brown and red and pink and every other color you want. Now, I have tons of other ideas. Stay tuned. I want you to go watch the add-on video because there's so much more. Club members, Stamp Club members, Die-Hard Club members, yours are going to be on their way to you on the 1st, even though the post office isn't even open. Ken gets them in there so they're ready to go. Also, if you are not in the Stamp or Die Hard Club, you need to join now so you can get in and unlock all those awesome club benefits. What are the club benefits? Well, for as little as $13.99 a month, not only do you get the stamp set sent to you automatically each month, but you get 15% off my entire website, every single day, every single order, every single item. Every single day, every single item, every single order on my website. It's like a sale every single day because you automatically, once you log in, the computer knows there's no special codes you have to worry about. No. You just log in, order, it takes it off. That's how easy it is. Also, so club discount, 15 to 20% off. Also, you are getting club points on every shipment of club items, and any item you purchase on our website, you're earning club points to spend on a future order. Also, if you stay in for a full year on your anniversary month, you get a $15 gift certificate to our website. It's like we're paying you to be our friends. We really are. Now, if that sounds good to you, I want you to go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click join the club and just watch that video. It's going to kind of explain a little better all about our clubs, and it's going to give you a better idea of, get a feel for us and things like that. The monthly commitment, my friends, is only 3 months. After 3 months, you can cancel it anytime because you know what? We know you won't want to. You're going to fall madly in love with us, just like I am madly in love with these ladybugs. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.